Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Today I'm going to take you through one of our Age Smart products that has been brought back by popular demand, and it's the MultiVitamin Power Serum. This serum has been brought back because of the amazing results it gives on the skin. But what we're finding now is that not only are people who are displaying the signs of aging and fine lines and wrinkles, and that being their concern, we're also noticing that people are being aware of the onset of aging and wanting to really start taking care of this side of their skin at a much earlier age. The MultiVitamin Power Serum contains a powerful cocktail of vitamins, and these vitamins are encapsulated, which means that as they penetrate into the skin, they're going to penetrate at a deeper level and really target the areas that need them most. These vitamins and the peptides that are contained in the serum are going to give you a brighter appearance. They're going to help rejuvenate your skin, retexturize to give you a smoother, more even consistency in your skin, and it's going to help at slowing down the onset of aging. The MultiVitamin Power Serum is a velvety feel in texture, works beautifully underneath your moisturiser morning and night time. So you will use this after cleansing. You can apply a small amount on your face, neck, and even your chest area if that's an area of concern for you. It combines really well with your Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF during the day, and then Super Rich Repair afterwards at night time. So to purchase the new MultiVitamin Power Serum, simply visit our website, glowskinbody.com.au. You can also try a sample on your own skin with your next order. See you again next time.